give this a try.
This is also amazing.
This pressure washer one just dropped from $40 to under $8. And this thing straight up turns your regular garden hose into a powerful pressure washer. No electricity, no gas, and no heavy-ass machine to drag around. So it's perfect for blasting dirt off your car, your yard, or your driveway. And I'm not even gonna lie, this shit is weirdly satisfying to you. Watching all that nasty dirt disappear like that. Man, I could watch this all damn day. Tap the orange shopping carts on the bottom left and grab this limited time flash deal before it's gone. And yeah, the shipping is fast as hell too.